First, we went to Paulstow TV.
Aquamark. Can we go thrift shopping?
What?
Hi guys. I need the gray one. I don't know why I'm posting. So we're gonna do a makeover for Priscilla.
Good for me.
I'm doing Jenny's makeup. Yes!
You see the quality, bitch? Look at the quality. It's so perfect. It's perfect.
Okay. So tell them what we're doing, Jenny. Priscilla's doing my makeover.
What? Don't say my government name like that. No! Redo!
Hello guys, welcome to Chuchas. Let's go with Jennifer. Hello guys, welcome to
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chucha, and here we have
Jenny. Hello guys, welcome to Chucha's YouTube.
channel. First things first. Where's my foundation?
You don't need it. Eyebrows, the little finish it, whatever it's called. Eyeshadows, foundation, the best of Rihanna. And what else? Highlights and some other stuff she's gonna be using. Let's just hope she doesn't ruin my face.
Ooh! Fenty Beauty, bitch!
First, you clean the eyebrows to make it.
Like that?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we're gonna go in. Bitch, what the fuck?
You know how to do it, right?
Yeah, I know how to do it.
I hope you don't fuck it up.
Okay.
Do it?
I don't do my eyebrows, so I don't
Then
know.
who do you done it to? Or you lied?
What?
This bitch lied.
Perfect. Perfect.
How is it perfect?
Perfect. Look at it. Perfect. Fuck yeah. I'm a beauty person. I could work at Sephora.
Yeah, I think you should.
Definitely. Oh, this is the Anastasia. Ooh.
The best.
The Maybelline.
New York ever. The best here. All you gotta do is just shape the eyebrows and then you use it with the
Blender?
no, with this to make it perfect.
Okay.
And you blend it in.
Okay. And under two, right?
Mm-hmm.
OMG. You look at this one. Oh, you did at the same time. That's so cool. Oh my god, I got some on your eyebrow. That's okay. It'll blend.
Yep.
Okay. So now we use this brush.
You're
No,
not using
this is
that. This
something-
one.
Oh, okay.
To make it.
Just cover it in?
No, you make it perfect. Like.
Yeah, because I totally understand, Jenny. Okay, let's do this. Fuck. It's supposed to go up.
Let me go.
Fuck. Oh, hell no. I can't do this shit. But that's okay. So far, so good.
She's learning.
Talk to me, I'm a beauty guru shit. Those bitches that be doing makeup. They fucking make thousands of fucking dollars doing.
That one's good for the whole face.
Really?
Mm-hmm. You don't have to do that.
Oh, really? Let me clean
You
it.
just tap. You just tap and then after that you use this brush or this brush to blend it in.
Okay. Hey guys. A green inspired look. This green. This green and purple. Green and purple. Wow, I never even thought about that. Okay.
Like turtle.
Like the Ninja Turtles. Yes. Good. Good shit. Good job, Jenny. Okay. Let's do this. Wow, these colors are very bright, vibrant.
Wow, this is so satisfying.
Wait.
Do you use the purple?
No, not yet. Wow.
It's disgusting.
This is such a nice color. It's very vibrant too. Wow.
This is so fucking cool. Wow, this is amazing. The purple is really nice.
Wow. Inspired. So that was those two. It was this one and that one. Boat bitch. Take me back to Brazil, ho.
Yeah. I'm sure you do it like hard. And then tap. There you go.
Bitch, you know this shit sparkling. Okay. Wow. We're gonna be blinding bitches. Look. Come at us, bitch. Come at us. Come at us. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on, bitch. Come at us.
Don't forget the nose.
Oh shit, I got eyeshadow up there. Oh shit. Bitch, you're sparkling. Wow. Wow. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle. Sparkle, sparkle, sparkle.
What? Let me see. There's another highlight, but I was like, which one? Like for the nose.
Let's put it.
And you use your finger to tap it. Okay, not a lot.
Oh yeah, bitch, we blinding bitches today. What?
The nose. You forgot
How?
the nose. By tap?
Like what?
Tap.
Oh. What the fuck? I never knew that. She's blinding you bitches. So this is the finished look. Like it or leave it, bitch. Who cares? It's not the fucking best, but it happened. Wow.
Beautiful.
Low key, if I actually knew how to do makeup and shit, it would have looked way better.
Yeah.
But I don't know how to do shit. Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching.
What do you mean?
Wow! Bye guys.
See ya.